everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we will study from Pitara. This is chapter number 21, how many. So how many is basically count करेंगे और numbers लिखेंगे कि कितने हैं. Now let's start. How many are there? कितने हैं? How many apples are there on the tree? इस tree पे कितने apples हैं? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 apples on the tree. Now fishes. How many fish are there in the bowl? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 fishes in the bowl. Now we will count the birds same way. How many birds are there in the sky? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 birds in the sky. How many flowers are there in the vase? Now we have to count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 flowers in the vase. Now these are oranges. How many oranges are there in the bucket? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 oranges in the basket. Now how many sweets are there in the box? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sweets in the box. Now, how many fishes are there in each bowl? Write the answers in the box. इसके fishes को count करेंगे और इसमें answer लिखेंगे. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 fishes in this bowl. Now 1, 2, and there are 2 fishes in this bowl. Now how many fishes are there altogether? अब सारी total कितनी fishes हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are total 5 fishes. Now color 4 fish yellow, color 2 fish red. How many fishes are all there together? So you have to color 4 fish in yellow and 2 with red. Now you have to count all the fishes and write the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6 and you can do the color yourself. I hope it is clear. So chapter is completed. I hope you don't have any doubt. Thank you so much. Happy learning.